fight of faith, I don't look away, I don't run away, facing all
See
of my
the time
demons,
right now?
frustrations,
It's
you know me,
almost pre-order time, so 5 a.m. Pacific time. That's when pre-orders go live. Let me check on the website. You can see the website is still down, but I have some good news because you can see on the store here it's now active, so that's pretty good. I'll try my best to order it from here. So if I go here, I don't want the Apple Watch Series 9 or the Ultra, so what I would do is I'll go to the iPhone 15, then 15 Pro, and then 15 Pro Max. I'll choose the 15 Pro. It's starting at 1,450 Canadian, so regular Pro, and then I'll choose the titanium blue. I'm just trying to go through it fast so that I save time as fast and also try to get it as fast as I can. 128 gigs starts for that much, but the one that I usually like is this one. It's almost $200 more, so wow, I think this is slightly higher than the 14 Pro, because this is the 14 Pro, I bought it last year, so this is a little bit higher than that. We choose that, and then no trade-in. Let's go, come on. Okay, no Apple Care coverage for now. Imagine if Apple gave preference to what people that put Apple Care Plus for the first shipping. That would be tough. Come on. See, it's still loading here for some reason. I actually didn't think there was going to be that big of a demand when it comes to the iPhone 15 Pro, but I guess maybe because the iPhone 15 has some new changes. I think the regular iPhone 15 is a good buy compared to the Pro, because the 15 got a number of, fair updates to, if I was to put it out there. But yeah, I'm still having issues, and it's 12 minutes after the opening time. This one just failed, but look at the website. So apple.com/CA to know that I'm in Canada. You can see it's up. So which model is best for you? iPhone 15 Pro, and what color? I'll choose this blue titanium, 256 gigs, no trade-in, no Apple Care. And yeah, here I can add it to the bag. That's pretty neat. So that's gonna cost me 1,600. Ooh, add to bag. Yeah, review bag. Let me see if I can check out. I wish it would have worked with this device here, because this has everything. Let me try again and see. iPhone 15 Pro, titanium, 256 gigs, no trade-in. Yeah, so let me continue on the web, because that one is still down. The brick they're still selling is 20 watts, so that's tough as well. Clear case, we don't need that for now. Go to checkout without Apple Pay this time. Do you want to sign in to apple.com with your Apple ID? Yes. So my sign in is confirmed. That way it will show up in my Apple Store application once this store is up and running. I would like to pick it up right here, and then I'll choose September 22nd, and then time window. Now it's 1:30. That's tough. And then now we have that. Continue to pick up details. Yes, my details are autofill right here. Continue to payment. Pay with your Apple account. Yes, so my Apple account, I once bought, I have a gift card that I got, and I can apply it when I bought the MacBook for student education. So I'll apply this, and it should give me some discount, and you can see the total went to 1,581. If I remove that, you see the total, it goes, let's see. Okay, anyways, you saw the total from the start. We'll apply this for now, and then we'll continue with debit and credit. Let me put in my information right here. You can see here, this is everything. Apple account balance that they applied, $210, and bringing my total to 1,581. So I just basically saved the taxes. Let's go ahead and place your order. The check-in window you originally selected is no longer available. Please select new time to continue. Let's go place our order again. Okay, we are all set now. So we will email you when your order is ready for pickup, and updates to my email right here. So this is an in-store pickup, September 22nd, for the iPhone 15 Pro. I got the titanium blue, and it says your check-in window is this, and bring your valid issued ID, and you receive details of pickup information. So here, after doing the pre-order on the phone, let me try again and see if the store is still up and running. Let's see. If you open up the store, see, this store is down, man. I think a lot of people use this store so much, so it's overloaded in the meantime. But at the same time, I was able to pre-order my iPhone 15 Pro from the web, and at the same time, because I used the Apple discount bundle or discount for students when I bought my MacBook that I'm using to record this video, they gave me a gift card that came in the mail, and I was able to redeem that gift card. And when it comes in the mail, it looks like this. Right here, it will have a code that you can use when you want to check out if you don't assign it to your Apple ID. But this is how it is for now, and I'll be covering content with regards to this phone. And shout out to Apple a little bit for making the process much faster compared to last year. Last year when I pre-ordered the iPhone 14 Pro, I do have a video that will show up somewhere here. That process almost took me like an hour, and I couldn't get it on the first day, like when the devices were available for pickup. But this time around, it's a little bit faster. So that's a plus. And if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see. Peace.
I'm flexing, I'm litty, cause life is a blessing. I'm currently counting my blessing, ascending for heavens. I'm headed away from the universe, I'm coming back, not assuming things. Tempted to touch, I'm a sinner, but not a beginner. Though every day is a beginning. I'm critically breathing, I'm dusty, I'm kicking my engines. You nasty, I speed on your misery home, you. Misery home, you. I never liked you, and you never liked me. Say one, but nothing contagious is my anger. Riding around in the city, I'm so